Hi everyone, Chef Petey here with another recipe for you to try out. Now today I'm sharing my ever so popular hot and sour soup recipe. To be totally honest with you, this is my first time cooking this in my home kitchen since closing our family restaurant back in 2017. Now we made it by the gallons and I have reduced my recipe to a fraction of that. I'm a bit nervous and I hope it's not a total failure. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at what we need. So I have 6.5 ounces of pork strips lean. I have a 1/4 cup of button mushroom, a 1/4 cup of bamboo shoot stripped, a 1/4 cup of tree ears, and basically it's the dry tree ears in a package like this, and you just soak it in warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes and it'll rehydrate. It looks like this. 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, and you can use apple cider vinegar, that's fine too. 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/4 tablespoon of hot pepper oil or hot chili flakes, and basically to taste. So I won't know until I taste it. I might need more. I have 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and that I may need more also, and that's to make the soup darker. 1 egg, 1/3 box of firm tofu, cut it into small chunks. I have 6 cups of chicken stock or soup stock or vegetable stock, or if you don't have that, just go with plain old water and add 1 tablespoon of chicken base or chicken bouillon to it. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and again I might need more or less depending on what we come up with. Okay, let's go cook it. I got the wok heated up. Put a tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to put the pork in first. Just going to stir it for a couple of minutes until the color changes to white. You don't need to marinate the pork because the soup is so flavorful that the pork will be very, very tender and taste yummy. All right. Now I'm going to put the soup stock in. I have about 3 cups of chicken stock, but I don't have enough for the rest, so I just put another 3 cups of water and I added some chicken base to it. We're just going to cover it up and bring it to a boil. Okay, let's take a look. Just about here. Alright, so let's start adding the rest of the ingredients here. Do the bamboo shoots, button mushrooms, tree ear. I know some people use shiitake mushrooms also, so you can also use that. And we also used to use pickled vegetables I don't have that, so we don't really need it. The tofu. Let's add the soy sauce. Add the salt and the sugar. White pepper powder. Vinegar. Sesame oil. Dark soy. And let's go ahead and put in the hot pepper oil. Boy, I think it's just right. All right. Now we're going to bring it to a boil again. And then we'll put the eggs in. All right, let's try this out. Got some tofu, got eggs, got some mushrooms in here. Oh, nice and spicy. It's hot and it's sour, definitely. Wow, this is really good actually. Okay, so please share this recipe, and I hope you like it as much as I do. I'll see you in my next video. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.